Hey, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching today's video. I am so excited to open up July's see Glam Bag Plus with you. I'm very excited. I haven't touched it. I just opened it. I'm like, I do a little video and I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, I'll do a review later. But as you guys know, I always record on Thursday, which is on my day off. So we're here doing another review. I'm so excited. So this is July Ipsy, and we're gonna be digging in and see what we got here. So if you wanna see what surprises I have here, please keep watching. If you're new to my channel, you never seen me, never heard of me, never seen my videos, never heard about my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get more updates when and why, how I did a new video. As you guys know, I'm very lazy. You guys can tell right away by my engagement, I'm very lazy. I'm trying to work on that. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to work on that. So, and always subscribe, like this video for good vibes. Subscribe and like for good vibes. Good vibes. And follow me on social media. I'm always on Instagram. Instagram right here. Instagram. And Twitter's there. But you know, if you see me, like my post. So this is July's Ipsy. I was about to say BoxyCharm. Oh my god, you guys want to know what happened to my BoxyCharm, July BoxyCharm, but let's open this one first. So as you the boxes, as you guys can see, the first box was actually really small. You guys see right there. And I'm like, now I got this big old box, and I'm like, I wonder if this was the ultimate box. But so let's dig in, and it says here the theme of the box is take a break. It says here airplane mode your phone. That's not gonna happen. Puramento to not disturb. It's time to re-energize. Where's a living room, dance party, blah 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 blah. It's take a break. And it says here your ultimate BD staycation. Like always, they're not gonna bring up the prices because there's an app. The app actually tells you how much the product costs, the name of the product, how to use it. So if you're not familiar with Ipsy, I think you are. I mean, just in case, they're $25 a month. Very worth it because they have the app, they have a lot of add-ons, and oh my god, they're actually letting us pick 3 items from the 5 that they send us. So BoxyCharm doesn't have that. It's 3 items that we can choose from, and then the other rest they can choose, which is so much better than, you have no idea how much better that is. It's like crazy because, I can just pick whatever, my hair. You can just pick whatever, the 3 of the items that you want and the rest is pick it, which is so cool. It's so fun. BoxyCharm doesn't have that. Here you go. So I think August is gonna start the new big 3 customizations, I believe, and it's gonna be fun because I want to know what I'm gonna get. Now this is the month theme. Is a really pretty floral bag. I think I'm gonna be using this because it's so nice. It's so pretty. It has the Ipsy right there, and then the bag is green. It's those butterflies or flowers, I'm not sure, but it's pretty. Now there's some things here that I'm happy with and some of them I'm not happy, which this right here. Ipsy sent me 3 face masks. You guys know I hate face masks. I mean, yeah, I'll use them once in a while, but getting them all the time, I'm not happy with that. I just wish they would send me face masks or anything, I have too much skincare. Oh my god. I have too much skincare. So I might use one and then the other ones put them in the giveaway because you guys know I have an active giveaway that I've just been putting things in it. So I'm very excited for that. You guys know, you just have to, I think I'm gonna do it sooner than 2K, but it's gonna be very exciting to do the giveaway. So now we have these 3 face brushes from Farah. I am not sure how much they are, but they look so pretty. Let's open them. It's very hard to open. Do I have to open it with the scissors? Oh wait. There you go. Okay. So these face brushes are from Farah. I think I already have some product from Farah. I'm loving these brushes. So, these ones are Farah brushes. Look how beautiful they are. Like the design is so nice. Like you can see them, how fluffy they are. How soft they are. Oh, they're very, very soft. I just love this. You know what? I'm very triggered about this. So I think this is Chicky M. This is straight, and this one is stippling. So I kind of curious about the names, and I'm gonna do some research. But the brushes are beautiful. Like, look at this. The design. Oh my god, yeah, I'm in love. We have here another product. This one is a Super 8 lip oil. You guys know I told them that I don't want any lipsticks. No more lipsticks. But they still send me lipsticks. But I'm actually gonna give this in my giveaway. Yeah, I'm not liking this one. A lip oil. Never actually heard of this brand. I believe it's Jen. And then the lips is actually pretty nice. Don't really want to touch it that much because, you know, I'm gonna add this in the giveaway. The color is actually really nice. A lucky subscriber will be actually getting this product. Very happy for that person who gets it. Now, another product that I actually am happy to receive, actually the 60-second to beautiful brows from Billion Dollar Brows. I'm actually very happy to receive this because you guys know you cannot have so much of this to use for your brows. It comes with a little brush. This is their name, and then it's kind of like powder. I believe it's powder. Yeah, it is powder. Ooh, and it actually comes in my color. I wonder why they came up with the $60 60-minute brow. But we're gonna put it to the test, and a few colors actually top it. So I'm actually very excited to use this product and see how I did get the brow pen on my BoxyCharm. It actually really nice because it has like, it actually looks like you're doing your brows like naturally, like it actually looks natural. It's very nice. So I mean, if you actually got that from your BoxyCharm, it's actually, are you still using it? I wonder how you do it. Like, it's great. Last but not least, we actually have my pick. Here's what I chose for my Ipsy July bag. It's actually that Leo, I don't know if I spell it correctly, but it's Leo Maquillaje. Is that how you spell it? I'm not. So it's a multi-dimensional eye color. So let's open it up. What I'm actually into is the packaging. Like the way you open the package for this. So you go like this, I believe. Like this. Oh wait, it has a tape. Okay. So the color is Jack. I just love this packaging. Look at that. It's so nice. So then when you open, here you go. And then you pull it out. Now this color, oh my god, you guys, this color, it's so pretty. And then it's so cool because you open it like, and they ask what color. They do a little bit swatching because it's so pretty. Look at that. That is so nice. I wish I had like a, okay. So like the packaging actually becomes like a mirror. I just love the pack. Open it and then there you go. I will see myself using this color. That's why I picked it, because I've been wanting to use more pink color. Like, this is really nice color, like yellow colors, blue colors, like I have right now. And we just want to experiment a little bit more with color. As you guys know, I've always been talking about it. But with this box, like, there's good things, and you know, like the brushes are cute. This is cute. This is cute. But the lipstick and the mask. There's always 3 items that I love about the box, but that's why I always put it on the giveaway. That way you guys can get it, and it's gonna be such a big giveaway. It's a big giveaway because now I have 2 boxes, so there's always gonna be 4 items are gonna be going to the giveaway. FedEx lost my BoxyCharm. But I contacted BoxyCharm and I told them what happened. They actually saw that my box was lost, so they sent me another one. So what I'm thinking, I'm like, these people commenting on their websites and being like, oh, you guys, I lost my blah blah blah. And I'm like, why don't you just go to the website, go to customer service, send them an email. Dude, I got a response the next day. That's how fast their customer service is. So why are you bitching so much on the website when you can just go straight to the website, Instagram to website, and then do that, the whole thing? I'm like, it's not that bad. It was really fast. So I think this month I'm only gonna be reviewing Ipsy, because BoxyCharm I don't think I'm gonna receive it anytime soon. I noticed that a lot of people are having the same problem, and that kind of like, so like, it sucks. it actually sucks because we want to get our boxes, we want to play around. Some people have, like me, have a channel, they want to review it, and not only I'm doing Boxtrum, I'm gonna have to wait until I do Ipsy versus Boxtrum and see what I get. I'm so eager to see what I get, and I'm like, so I'm gonna have to. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I know I talk so freaking much, but sometimes you gotta get into the camera and talk. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought about my unboxing, what you thought about the items inside of it, what you think, did we get the same things? Let me know in the comment section. Always like the video. Let me know how much you love the video. Let me know. Follow me in social media. You have Instagram, WordPress, Twitter, TikTok. You know, I'm always posting my videos there, seeing where do I get more traffic. But usually I'm getting more traffic from Instagram. I always get more traffic from there. And also, let you guys know I have a giveaway going on my channel. If you guys want a Starbucks from FabFitFun, always comment down below your email, but make sure that the email is not associated already with FabFitFun, because they'll know and they'll let me know, hey, this person already has FabFitFun, was already associated with FabFitFun. So give me an email that actually hasn't been associated with them. That way I can send you the Starbucks and you can pay your $5. $5 is not that much. I know it's a lot right now, but it's not that much. It's $5, which is actually a big box. Like they send you 4 items, sometimes 5 items, and it's very worth it because it's around $150 worth of product for just $5. So why not just let me know in the comment section if you would like a Starbucks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.